Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Valorant error code WAN 152. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to click on the system tray, right click on the right client and select exit. If right Vanguard running in the background, just right click on it and select exit. After that, go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now check my video description for these commands. Just copy and paste it one by one. After finishing both the commands, you just need to go to search menu and type a file explorer. Click on open it. Go to C drive, program files, find right Vanguard. Just right click on it and select delete it. After deleting this folder, just close stuff here. Now open up right client. Select the Valorant. Select the update option and install the Vanguard. Select yes. After getting it installed and just to close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, you just need to go to search menu and type services. Click on open it. In services, you just need to find VGC service. Double click on it. Startup type set to automatic and select apply and start the service. After getting started, you just need to click on OK and just to close stuff here. Now you just need to go to search menu and type msconfig. Click on open the system configuration. Go to services tab, find VGC service, check mark it and select apply. And now go to startup tab and select open task manager. In here find Vanguard service, just right click on it and enable it. And find the right service, just right click on it and enable it. After enabling both, just to close tab here and select the OK option and select the restart option and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can play the game without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.